Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Before I go into the two metaverse tokens, let's briefly look at the reasons due to which I think that this domain will play a fundamental role in the upcoming decades. So, in the last week of October, when Facebook was rebranded to Meta, it sent shockwaves across the tech industry since it shows the potential and impact of virtual worlds and how the new innovations in this domain will change the way we play online games, shop, select our new apartment, select our hotel for next vacation, or select our next car. This blending of virtual worlds into various customer experiences will create new possibilities of value creation that will impact various industries soon. This will create the customer journeys more convenient by saving time and by bringing the audiences of influencers in various niches together so that influencers can interact with their audiences in ways never imagined before. In short, 2022 could be the year of metaverse. So anything related to metaverse skyrocketed after October 28th when Mark Zuckerberg announced that Facebook was rebranding to Meta. That acted as the key catalyst to bring everything that I just highlighted into the limelight. So metaverse stocks and tokens increased by 300 to 500% overnight after this announcement. And metaverse properties and yachts are being sold for hundreds of thousands if not millions of dollars. And whether you agree with me or not, I think metaverse is an area that we need to look at for potential investing opportunities. And even before the Facebook rebranding announcement by Mark Zuckerberg, there were instances which showed that metaverse is going to play a key role in various business ecosystems. And one such example is that a metaverse domain was sold for 175,000 US dollars before this announcement. Now let's dive deep into two metaverse tokens that I think will perform well in 2022. So the first project is Network, NETVRK, which is not overhyped, and I would say it is still under the radar, which is good since in cryptocurrencies the main aim of the investor should be to preempt the market. Therefore, it could be a good opportunity to get in early and leverage the gains as the hype builds up due to upcoming news and awareness of its strong fundamentals. The team behind Network is building a metaverse that targets VR. In essence, it is very similar to Sandbox, but it solves a specific set of problems in the VR domain. The first problem is to enable the mainstream adoption of metaverse. To solve this problem, the team will create a social VR platform with powerful creation tools and infrastructure to easily create, share, experience, and monetize VR. The VR App Store provides the ability to make apps and experience them with others. The second problem is lack of quality content. So the limited amount of quality content within the VR environment is primarily due to the shortage of well-crafted design tools. Network obliterates this problem via an unlimited number of unique, fully interactive VR worlds, which will cater for the new and endless interest of people. This will create enormous impact in the VR with rapid consumer growth. The third problem is related to entry issues due to high standards and complex conditions for the average user in terms of content creation and expensive cost for app creation. This problem is solved by allowing users at all levels to create VR worlds and apps. Therefore, with no technical knowledge, users can create compelling VR content for businesses or consumers with the use of Network's unique editor and multifunctional tools. The third problem is the absence or lack of monetization options. This is due to the lack of possible ways to monetize activities within the VR or for mainstream industries to capitalize within their specific industries. This problem is solved via monetization and rewards for participation, which will benefit all VR users. With all of the VR under one roof, businesses will be able to capitalize via numerous ways for monetization. And now let's have a look at the key features of Network. So some of the key features of Network multi-chain metaverse include: Number one, smart ownership. So all platforms available in the Network marketplace or uploaded by creators are presented with the NFT ERC721 token standards. This means that they contain the owner's information within their metadata, therefore providing proof of ownership. Additionally, users are able to select the kind of ownership they want. And the second one is multi-purpose sandbox. Network comes with a multi-purpose sandbox that will enable even the most inexperienced users with no prior knowledge in VR to create virtual worlds with ease. The sandbox will come preloaded with tools, functionalities, and VR structures to kickstart the creation process. And the third feature is decentralized marketplace. The Network marketplace allows buyers and sellers to connect directly. This reduces fees and increases the speed of transactions. Additionally, users will be able to trade or lease environments, universes, or creations using smart contracts in the decentralized ecosystem. The fourth one is reward system. Network has incentivized a number of activities within the platform to make the whole experience more fun for users. Users who participate in the ecosystem will be rewarded for their activities and will be able to spend their rewards on services or products within the network ecosystem. At the time of recording on 26th of December 2021, the network token price was 3.74 US dollars. Currently, the top exchanges to buy network tokens are KuCoin, Hotbit, and Uniswap. In short, network is a social virtual world that allows users to make and monetize their creations. And the next one on my list is Seek token. So Seek VR is a token that operates on the Ethereum platform. The Seek VR Metaverse is a DeFi for music artists, sports, and content creators. Seek directly connects music artists, athletes, and other digital content creators directly to their fans in virtual worlds. Seek's NFT marketplace will enable the ability for true ownership of digital items that will traverse multiple digital reality environments. Seek virtual reality environments are governed by smart contracts, allowing token holders the ability for flexible tokenized in-world interactions, rewards, voting, contests, virtual goods, and more in-world transactions utilizing BEP20 compliant tokens called Seek. Each Seek token holder will be able to participate in virtual reality space for real-world celebrity concerts, award shows, tech talks, charity fundraisers, sports events, VR commerce, classroom learning, and much more as the exciting world of virtual reality meets real-world opportunity through smart contract governance on the Binance Smart Chain BSC. Therefore, Seek is forging a new future of music streaming and publishing by enabling content creators to monetize their work using Seek's patent award-winning virtual events streaming platform to reach audiences all over the world. Seek unlocks new revenue streams for music artists and creators, offering a brand new way to directly reach and monetize their fan base. Seek tokens enable real-time artist payments verified on the blockchain, ensuring fast, efficient, and seamless monetization. Seek's VR partnership with Universal Music grants right to live performances with top-tier artists including Bon Jovi, Lady Gaga, U2, Sting, Ziggy Marley, and more. Seek has upcoming releases with major artists, record labels, and influencers. Last but not least, Seek has its own patented VR headsets as well as 4D headphones, which is unique and sets it apart from other metaverse cryptocurrencies and tokens. So in my opinion, as new artists join and connect with their audiences via this innovative platform, I believe sky is the limit since big names like Lady Gaga are already on board. Not only that, since network is a social virtual world built on blockchain, it will allow many new artists to showcase their talent, create an audience, and also monetize their creations, which will create massive impact since Justin Bieber also started by uploading his videos on YouTube, and no one knew back then that this kid will have so much fame in coming years. At the time of recording this video on the 26th of December, network token price was 3.74 US dollars. Currently, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading network tokens are KuCoin and Hotbit. I hope that you liked the content of this video. If you would like to see more videos related to cryptocurrency, stock analysis, and the key macroeconomic events across the world, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.